Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video to talk about this thing here and also to provide some giveaway codes. This is FPV Flight Dynamics, Mastering Acro Mode on High Performance Multirotors by a gentleman called Christian. Now this is my copy and I've been looking through it and I'm pretty impressed because when he was first talking about this book with me, he was talking about it and I thought it was just going to be about how you fly acro mode. But actually there's an awful lot more in here. There's everything from LiPo batteries, and all the stuff you need to know. Now, if you don't like learning from YouTube videos, and some people don't, or you just want a reference book that has all the information in here about not only how these things actually fly, but how you get into acro mode, how things like the beta flight curves work, all that goodness in here, then this is a great way to get it all in one place. The really cool part is Christian has offered 10 free download codes for this book on Apple eBooks. So if you want to be within a chance of getting a copy of this and having a look through yourself, then it's pretty standard stuff. All you have to do is like, comment and subscribe, and I'll give it a week and I'll pick 10 people using the random comment picker, and those can get a free e-copy of this book. But I need to say a massive thank you to Christian for sending me my copy. It's very, very nice of you. And I must admit, I was pleasantly surprised at all the stuff in here that actually talks about how all this stuff actually works. And the nice thing is there's loads and loads of pictures. I'm quite a visual learner myself, so actually having somebody explain all this stuff has been incredibly useful. So again, like, comment, subscribe. I'll pull the names out of the hat in a week. Links below if you're interested on where you can get the book if you're not lucky enough to be a winner. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.